But I know that my mom, she received Jesus Christ as her personal Lord and Savior. And we know that's the only entrance into heaven. So I know she's finally at rest, at peace. You know, she probably just saw Jesus and she was like, hey, Jesus, me, I'm staying here with you. Those guys on earth, you just sort them out.
She loved also the poor people. They are marginalized. They are unprivileged people.
And also her vibrancy. Gosh, I think Shosho is the benchmark for everyone in this family and their fashion sense and their love for the finer things in life. So she's made a huge impact.
Teresia would leave her class and I leave mine so that we pray together. And we stayed like that until now last week when she went.